Hello my friend, in this video I will show you how you can join Amazon affiliate programs in just few steps. You just need to go on amazon.com or any Amazon extension which is related to your country. Like for I am from India, so I can join Amazon.in affiliate program. If you are from France or any other countries like from UK, you should have to go on amazon.uk, Amazon or any Amazon other extensions. So in this video I will show you how you can join amazon.com affiliate programs. These steps will be remain same for all the countries. You just need to go on a footer section of official website of Amazon and you can press this button, become an affiliate. So it will be redirect to this website URL. This is the official URL from you can join Amazon affiliate program. This is the official URL of amazon.com. You can also select any country from here also. If you want to join affiliate program of France, Japan, any other country, you can select from here. You just need to sign in or sign up. If you have already an account on Amazon program, so you can simply sign in from here. In this video I will show you how you can sign up. So you just need to put some basic informations like your email and password. So I am putting my email and password. Like you can just create your account from. So you have two options to sign in or sign up. If you already have an Amazon buyer account, you can simply sign in from here. If you still do not have any account from Amazon, you can just simply sign up from here. In this website you can use your regular account which you are used for to shop from Amazon. I already have an account on Amazon, so I can go with the sign in option. If you do not have any account on Amazon, you should have to sign up. So from here you can create your account. Just simply add your name, email and password, and this email will goes to your, and verification code will be goes to your email. So you can just simply follow those steps to create your Amazon affiliate program to make your Amazon account. So right now I have already have an account on amazon.in, so I have to log into that account. So once you log into your Amazon account, it will be fetch details from your Amazon account directly, or you have to enter some basic form here. So this is a pay owner list. You can add somebody else from here, contact name and other. So in my case, this all the information are already selected. As you can also select from any other addresses which are linked with your account, or also you can add a new pay owner details. So here you have to enter the name of the pay owner and email addresses, cities, and just simply steps you can fill out. So I am using this my default address now and pressing the next button. So it will be redirect to this page. Here you have to enter your domain name or a live website URL. It should be with the HTTPS or without HTTPS. So in my case I am just adding this website. This is just a demo website which I am showing to add here. So you can see HTTPS website, it will be good for you. So just press the next button. We do not have this type of restriction for the children, so we can go with a no and confirm. And here you have to enter your Amazon store associate ID. So you can simply add any name here. I prefer to add a domain name, so you in future you easily remember this ID. And next step is you can simply blank this area. So what are your website and mobile about? Here you can add some information about your website, like I am adding our website is for deals and coupons. So which of the following topic best describe your website or mobile application? So you can simply select any option from here, but I recommend you to go with this option, home, pets, cooking and wedding type. If your website is related to education, products, computers and electronic, so you can simply select any category from here. There is not a specific for all the website. You have to go with your niche. So I am going with a home, pets and cooking. and secondary we are going with the education and schooling. So you can select any option from here, like which type of products you want to affiliate through your website: computer, movies, kids and babies products, electronic, or any other. If you want to add more, you can simply click here which type of. So our website is a content on niche based website. You can select if your website is related to coupons and deals. You should go with this option. I am going with the deals and coupons and deal website. So here you have to enter a secondary option. You can go with the content and niche based website. So how you can drive traffic to your website? Usually we drive our traffic from SEO and blogs and some lead generations. How do you utilize your website and app to generate income? So you can simply go with the Amazon Associate is the only way I monetize my website. In both you can fill this. How do you usually build your links? So you can just go with this option, content management system, because we are using WordPress, that is a content management system. How many visitors? Our website is maybe new now because you are joining this or first time Amazon affiliate, so you should go with this option, less than 500. What is your primary reason to join the Amazon affiliate program? So you can just go with this option to monetize my website. How do you hear about us? You can go with this option from the Amazon.com website. Here you just need to enter this CAPTCHA. Yes, I agree, terms and condition, and finish. So this is our ID. We can start using this ID on our website now. So here is some other options, like you can, if you want to add your payment system or a tax information, you can do it now or later. I recommend you to go with the later option, like at this time we have very less traffic on our website. So once we start getting traffic and we have a lot of money on our Amazon Associate account, then we can simply fill this type of information on this. So I am going with a later option. So you can see this is a home of our Amazon Associate account, and this is store ID. I hope in this video I go through all the options, like how you can join Amazon affiliate program. If you still have any question or you have any query, you can just comment on this video. I will try my best to answer all of the questions. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel.